po si Blue Roy. Welcome sa Kwentong Pilipino. Ang makakasama natin ngayon ay isang dating bokalista ng Inner Voices na kung saan ay ginawaran bilang Best New Group Recording Artist noong 2015 Awit Award. Ang kanilang album ay nagmula sa Universal Record produced by Mr. Benny Saturno. Siya rin ang bokalista na kung saan ginawaran sila bilang Best Revival Recording noong 2024 PMPC Star Award for Music para sa revival of Gary Valenciano's hit Paano. Siya rin po ay may mga kantang napapakinggan na po sa iba't ibang digital platforms at ang mga kantang ito ay Light Years Away, Ikaw at Ako, Forever, Ikaw ang siyang nagbabalik, Tuwing Pasko, Walang Katulad. Kasalukuyan ding napapakinggan na ang kanyang bagong interpreted song na How to Let You Go mula sa komposisyon ni Miss Dayan de Mesa. Napapakinggan na rin ang kanilang collaboration ni Miss Dayan de Mesa para sa kantang Ikaw Pa Rin. Siya po ay nagkaroon ng collaboration sa dating Miss Saigon, Miss Ima Castro para sa kantang Sa Iyo, composed by attorney Boying Bergado. Siya po ay isang alumni ng University of Santo Tomas at kasalukuyan pong nagtatrabaho bilang Sales Area Manager for BA Motors in Philippines Incorporated under Astara, Spain. Mga Kapilipino, karangalan ko pong ipakilala sa inyo ang dating bokalista ng Inner Voices, Ginoong Nant Del Rosario.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon sa lahat ng iyong mga tagapakinig, Roy. Thank you for this opportunity.
Okay. Sir Nat, no, kumustahin kita bago ko umpisahan ang ating kumustahan, no? Kumusta po kayo ngayon? Ano ang pinagkakaabalahan niyo?
Well, at present, I'm working in the automotive industry. I'm a sales area manager. I deal with dealerships nationwide for a brand. Di ko na lang sabihin. But I'm under the company Astara from Spain. And then on the side, I still do my singing. Actually, today is the release in all digital platforms of the song How to Let You Go, composed by Miss Dayan de Mesa. Siya rin yung actually collaborate ko 2 years ago actually on the song Ikaw Pa Rin. It's a duet that we did, and then she has this song How to Let You Go that she feels will fit my voice and will fit my style. So we recorded it, and she's actually preparing the music video. But today, ayun, may mga nag-send na sa akin. Sinasend na nila yung screenshot sa Spotify, and it's already out. The title is How to Let You Go.
Okay. Sir, pag-uusapan natin yung How to Let You Go, no? Kung kumustahin kita kasi nung nakita ko sa profile mo na ikaw ay dating vocalist, no, ng Inner Voices, parang may nagbalik na ulo actually. Ikaw pala yung lead vocal. Kung kumustahin po kita, kumusta po ang inyong paglalakbay na kasama po sila?
Yeah, actually we started year 2012. Boying Bergado, the attorney Boying Bergado, the band leader, took me as their new vocalist. They have a vocalist actually originally because they started since 1991. So they were still young at the time, and then they stopped at a certain point. And then when he wanted to create the new band, nagkataon si Boying is neighbor ko dito sa subdivision. Natapat daw siya, naglalakad siya sa bahay namin. He heard me singing, hindi pa kami gano'ng magkakilala nun. And he said, if he's going to form this band, he wants that guy to be his vocalist. So parang gano'n. And then we met on a basketball game, doon kami nagkakilala. He knows that I'm in a band before. I was in an acoustic band before. That was this band. So he requested if I could try to join or try to jam with him. Jam lang muna ang usapan. Then when we were jamming, nire-record na pala niya. And he sent it to their followers, he sent it to his co-members, and they liked it, and he invited me to join it. Doon, start ako ng 2012 with them. We released an album last 2014. The title of the album is Find a Way. It was produced by Mr. Benny Saturno under Universal Records. And fortunately, year 2015, we were nominated and we won at the Awit Awards as Best New Group Recording Artist. I was with them until 2016, and because of health concerns, kasi I have a day job and then I do the band, so halos hindi ako natutulog. I was advised by my doctor to at least maglaylo ng konti. But and then the pandemic struck. But I'm still talking to Boying on those years and the other band members. They continued, but I think for a few months and they stopped. And then the pandemic happened, and year 2021 we reunited. We released the revival of the Gary V hit Paano, and year 2023, because of some reasons and also with my job and some internal reasons that siguro hindi ko na lang i-discuss.
Yes.
Mahalaga, we're all okay now. So, we released the song on 2021, but it took 3 years for PMPC Star Awards to give acknowledgement to the video. It was nominated as Best Revival Recording. Medyo mabibigat yung mga kalaban namin. I was not really expecting. And then, wala na ako sa band nun eh. So we're all surprised na nalo kami as Best Revival Recording 2024 sa PMPC Star Awards. And yun, and then magkausap pa rin naman kami ng mga kabanda ko na yun. They have a new vocalist now and they're really doing great with Mr. Patrick Marcelino, who is also a good friend of mine na rin. And last Wednesday, they invited me on their show. I was there to watch, and then they requested me to sing. And it was a good moment for me. Boying said all my attributes, and I'm very thankful and grateful. And they even requested me after I sung on the seat. They requested me to perform on the band with another song. So it was a very great show. And Attorney Boying Bergad is also telling me that he's looking forward that he has some songs that he wants me to sing as a solo artist. But time and then, when they need, for example, their vocalist will need to have some time out or medyo kailangan ng pahinga or tulong, just like last time in Hard Rock Manila Bay, I performed at least one set for them para kahit pa paano may pahinga yung isang vocalista. So I do that support to them, and the same as how they're supporting me right now in my solo.
Okay. So, napakalawak no ng inyong pinagsamahan. Yes, ng journey po sa Inner Voices. Pero gaano po kahirap sa inyo na pansamantala na iwanan ang banda na kung saan alam ko po no, sa bilang mga auto, nagiging masaya ang inyong mga puso kapag nagagawa niyo yung pag-awit?
Well, the very first time that I parted ways with them, it's really very difficult. But the second time is actually more difficult because it happened that it's not really my intention, but I have to do it because I was requested to do it because they want to pave the way for a new vocalist at that time. It was not yet Patrick, it's another vocalist. But so I gave in to that request. But and because also, admittedly, because of the demands of my job, hindi ko na rin talaga maasikaso. So